Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2011 Toyota Corolla. Customer states they hear a grinding / rattling sound underneath the vehicle. Please check and advise. We'll say no more, we got you. So we road tested the vehicle and we did confirm the noise. There is definitely an exhaust rattle. And I have a pretty good idea of what it is. Brake fluid's at level, battery has been replaced and it tests good. You guys know what comes next. Well, let's take it up top. So now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around a little bit before I show you how we get right into the repair. We do have some flavor present. It's not that bad, but it's not that good either. Yeah. Brakes are healthy 10mm. Tires are looking like a good 8 to 9 30 seconds. Now with the exhaust rattle, it was the gas tank heat shield, which we already are in process of removing. As you can see, the mounting points, they rot out. There's one there, there's 3 up front as well, so it's 3 10mm bolts holding it in place. And what we do is we support the exhaust up here, and then, oh, my light went out. We take the exhaust out of the hangers and we slowly lower the exhaust, and then we remove this here heat shield. So let's continue. Alright, of course I have my safety goggles on, guys. Now you're gonna fight this. You may have to bend it a little bit to remove it. Oh my god, it's falling falling apart in my hands. Alright, let's see if we can get the new one in. Come on. Man, now I'm going to put a little, let's see if I can put a little bend in that. Well, it's a little more than a little bend, but you know what I mean. I'm just trying to get it in. Alright, very good. Now we'll persuade that back into place. Very good, guys. We have the new heat shield up. Brand new hardware is installed. Now we're just going to rehang the exhaust, start the car, and hopefully there's no rattles. While we were here, we did inspect this one. All of our mounting points are still intact, which is very good. So, yeah, let's get the exhaust back up and start her up and see how she sounds. Alright, let's see how it sounds. Contact. Oh, very good, very good. Even on startup, guys, you would hear this freaking heat shield rattling on the exhaust. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.